Hello students and YouTubers, this is Darby, and I'm going to help those of you that are new or amateur or just not where you want to be with photography, how to drastically improve your photos. So the big thing is, when you don't have a lot of money but you have a little bit of money, this Kenko 1.4x Teleplus Pro 300 DGX teleconverter, this right here, is what you need. Basically what it does, it'll take your standard 75 to 300 millimeter kit zoom lens to 105 to 420 millimeters. So basically, I know it doesn't sound like too much of a difference, but it is quite a difference. I will put a thing on the end of the video that will show you my comparisons between the standard 35, the 75, and the 300 millimeter, and then the teleconverter, so you can see how much closer I'm getting. And it might not seem like much when you think about the numbers, but for $140, I love it. It really gets some great shots. There's a couple of things you need to know though. First off, it will cut down your f-stop about 1. So what you got to keep in mind is that if it's too dark out, you're not going to be able to get the quality you want. So what I always do is I shoot in RAW, so RAW can bring a lot back out of the shadow. So that's the first thing. The second thing is this wonderful lens does not work with your kit lens that comes with the Canon T5, the one that sometimes you get kits. My kit came with a 75 to 300. There is a kit that my students at school have that has a 75 to 250 lens, and it will not fit on that 250 lens. So that's something you need to keep in mind. Everywhere I've seen online does not actually mention that. But it does not work with a 250 millimeter lens, but it works with a 300, so if you have that, you're golden. But without further ado, I'm going to add all that onto the back of the video, and then I'll leave a link in the Amazon description or the YouTube description at the bottom to go to the Amazon website so you can check out that camera stuff. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. Please like, subscribe, hit the comments. I'd love to see your Instagram or whatever website you have, so I can see what kind of photos you got with this. And once again, hopefully we'll build a community of learning. Remember, it's not about the destination, art's all about the journey. So take care, everybody. See ya.